In this video, I will explain how to use the intersecting chord theorems when we've got two chords intersecting outside the circle with at least one of them being a tangent. So I will actually start from the intersecting chord theorems that describes the relationship when we've got two chords intersecting outside the circle. So we've got that xb times xa is xc times xd. We remember as always that we start from the point of intersection. That's a key point here. So what I will do is that I will take the chord DC and I will start moving it until D and C collapse together and DC becomes a tangent. There it is. So the point at which the tangent touches the circle, I will call it C. So actually what we have here is that we could rewrite this theorem here, but now it's XB times XA is equal to XC times XC, so it's XC squared. So that's the intersecting chord theorem with the chords meeting outside the circle and one of the chords being a tangent. Of course, I could now extend this idea and starting from one of the chords being a tangent, so there it is, XA is a tangent, I will do the same with the chord CB. So taking the chord CB, moving it until C and B collapse together, we see that this becomes a tangent. So if we call the tangential point B, we can say that XB times XB, so XB squared is XA squared, which simply means that XB is XA, and we have just proved that two tangents from the same point are equidistant to the circle. Let's look at this example here. We've got AB is 5, so this is 5. CD is 6. We need to find the length of AC. I will call BC X. So we have that CB times CA is equal to CD all squared. So X times X plus 5 is equal to 6 squared. So X squared plus 5X is 36. So X squared plus 5X minus 36 is 0. This factorizes into X plus 9, X minus 4. So this means that X plus 9 is 0 or X minus 4 is 0. Now X being negative 9 is not valid, it's rejected because we know that X has to be positive. So we rejected the negative 9. The other solution is X is 4. We were asked to find the length of AC, and we see that AC is 5 plus X, so it's gonna be 5 plus 4, which works out to be 9. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can also leave a comment below to tell us what you think.